for the contest?
Nagbasa, tas nag-review. Nireview yung reviewer at book na binigay sa akin, ma'am, kahit short lang talaga yung time na binigay.
What did you feel after knowing you won the Saysay Fest?
Siyempre, sobrang saya dahil unexpected na, dahil kaunti lang talaga yung time, tas faithful. Sobra.
What do you think is the factor that brought you to become a winner of the contest?
Siguro, hard work, faith, and determination talaga yung dahilan nito.
And what is your advice for students that strive to win on contest like this?
Una, huwag mawala ng tiwala sa sarili. So, bagkus ay magkaroon ng confidence sa lahat ng bagay. Tapos, gayon din ay maghanda at magtiwala kay God, mag-pray. And sabi nga, kahit kapag nag-pray ka, kailangan mo rin ng gawa. Dahil nasa Diyos ang awa, kasatarang ang gawa. Kaya kapag nag-pray tayo, may kasama din paggawa, which is yung paghahanda at paglulubi natin.